Welcome to Abstralpress. I asked in the community tab if you guys like to have more ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free. Two people gave thumb up. So I shared another way to use ChatGPT-4 for free. By now, we have shared many ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free. For example, from our channel, search for ChatGPT-4 and you will find few ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free. I have two more ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free. If one method does not work or has limitations, you can use a different method to use ChatGPT-4 for free. Here are those two methods. First one is on stablediffusion.fr domain. Free ChatGPT-4. GPT-4 ChatBot. Once you land on this page, you have to agree to the terms. You must read these terms because it's on how they use your data. It says user consent for data collection, use and sharing. It's powered by OpenAI's API. They may collect information including the inputs you type into the app, the outputs generated by the OpenAI's API, and certain technical details about your device and connection such as browser type, operating system, and IP address from request headers of your device. They may use the collected data for research purposes, to improve these services, and to develop new products or services, including commercial applications, and for security purposes, such as protecting against unauthorized access and attacks. Your data, including the technical details collected from your device's request headers, may be published, shared with third parties, or used for analysis and reporting purposes. They may retain your data, including the technical details collected from your device's request headers, for as long as necessary. So by using this app, you are granting them permissions to do so as mentioned here. If you do not agree with the policy, do not use this app. If you agree, click I agree button. Click OK. And here is GPT-4 Chatbot. You can adjust certain parameters from here. And here is our prompt. Type it in input field. Give me 10 tips on how to write better JavaScript code. Now it will take some time depending on how many users are currently using this app or this space, but it will generate the response. For free, not bad at all. Hit run button. And here you see the queue. Let the queue be finished and response will be generated here. This free ChatGPT-4 instance is available as is and can be removed anytime. But if it's available, it is very useful. So here's the response. This is ChatGPT-4 for free. 10 tips on how to write better JavaScript code. Use consistent coding style. Keep functions small and focused. Use modular code organization. Prefer const and let over var. Use the strict mode. Opt for functional programming. Utilize code linting and formatting tools. Write thorough and meaningful comments. Write unit tests. Regularly review and refactor your code. Alright, and at the top, they suggest to use ChatGPT-3 for free. On Hugging Face, alternatively, if this app is too busy. So if this app is busy, you can go to this link and use ChatGPT-3 instead. But if this app is busy, just wait for the queue to be processed and you will get the response. In previous videos, I shared similar app that was busy sometimes. Users told me that the app is busy and not responding. But my response is they are providing this service for free. So few seconds wait should not hurt. Okay, moving on to second resource. Second one is aura.sh. Create your own AI in seconds. Build a custom chatbot in one click and engage with this much bots Aura users have created. Sign up for a free account. Get started on login. I will use login. After that, you can create a custom chatbot. Chatbots. And this is the chatbot that I created earlier. So chatbots that you create will be listed here. In your chatbot, give it a name and type a prompt. Let's choose travel guide. For prompt, add instructions for your chatbot to remember. You can use this to customize your chatbot to your liking. I will choose to type travel guide here as well. Description is optional. Create bot. Okay. Give me 10 best places to visit in the United States. Type your question here and hit enter. And here is the response. New York City, Grand Canyon, and so on. If you ask it whether it's GPT-3 or GPT-4, it will not reply properly because it's a custom chatbot. Now this is a custom chatbot. You can make it favorite by clicking at this star. You can click at this chain link to copy the link for this chatbot and share with others. Favorites will be listed here. In the Explore area, these are the chatbots created by other users. For example, you can click at any chatbot to start using it. Let's say this evil confident. Click at it and here it is. And you can use this chatbot. There is Hustle GPT. You are a Hustle GPT, an entrepreneurial AI. I am your human counterpart. I can act as a liaison between you and the physical world. You have $100 and your only goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible without doing anything illegal. I will do everything you say and keep you updated on our current cash total. No manual labor. Okay, so this is the context for this chat. You can use this chat to get side hustle ideas. And you can always go to dashboard and chatbots, click at new chatbot and create a custom chatbot with custom context to start with. You can click at this image icon to generate images as well. And here is the image. Okay, these were two new ways that I discovered to use ChatGPT-4 for free. But these are without any guarantee. If you need more ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free, I have other videos that I will link in video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.